Want this 90s black and white effect on your videos in CapCut? Then watch this video till the end. Import your clips. Drag them to timeline and add the following effects. First, add black flash effect and adjust values like mine. Next, head over to the filters in mono and add any B and W effect that fits your video. For mine, I will choose this one. Next, add jitter effect and put its value as 10. Add DV tape and adjust its values. Next, add FPS lag effect and adjust its values according to how you want it. In the last, add Noise 1 effect and adjust its speed. And it's done. If you found it helpful, make sure to like and subscribe this channel for more CapCut and other content. Thank you.